Hey, it's me, Vincenzo.
What the hell you want? Someone to pick up your laundry or wipe your ass?
Oh, come on, no, don't be like that. Listen, I feel bad about everything. Come on, drop by my place. I got something for you.
Yeah, what's that? A pair of concrete boots? Nice slice of arsenic pie? Forget about it.
Oh, come on, Tone, I feel bad about what went down. Salvatore heard about it and told me we both need to grow up. This is me, growing up. I'm sorry. Come on.
Tomorrow you'll be joking
You're
about
gonna learn
this.
what it means to fuck with you fucking amateur. Come on, guy.
This can get very messy. Now stay away from me.
Let's begin in one place.
Shitbag. Vinnie, I'm here. Where the hell are you? What is this?
Tony, come sta? I knew you'd call. Listen, I'm down at the Portland dock. We got a big shipment just come in. Get yourself down here. I'm on board the big freighter.
I don't know, Vinnie. I got stuff to do.
Look, I know I've been an asshole to you, Tony. For that, I'm truly sorry. But from now on, we'll be like partners, okay? Better than partners, brothers. So come on, what do you say? This is what Salvatore wants.
Okay, for Salvatore. But if you pull any of that daddy bullshit, you're a dead man.
Yeah! I'm gonna cut you up, little man! Yeah!
Is that dumbass Jim dead yet?
Hate to disappoint you, Vinnie.
You son of a bitch! Why can't you just die already? You should have never come back, Tony. I worked my fingers to the bone for Salvatore, and you just come wandering back to town, and he's all Tony this and Tony that. This is my town, Tony! My town! You ain't taking it away from me! I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh!
deposit for your uniform.
Kiss my ass, dickhead.
You me? Finally get the respect. City's finest enroll today.